Good day, everyone. Today we will be discussing the fascinating topic of how refrigerators work. Refrigeration is an essential technology that plays a crucial role in our modern lives. It enables us to preserve food, medicines, and other perishable items for longer periods, making it possible for us to enjoy fresh and healthy food year round. Slide 1 introduces the topic, and we will cover the basics of how refrigeration functions. We will see how different components work together to create an environment that keeps food and beverages fresh. We will also explore the science behind the refrigeration process, such as how heat transfer and pressure changes play a role in the functioning of the refrigerator. By the end of this presentation, you will have a better understanding of how refrigerators work, the various components involved, and some essential tips on how to maintain your refrigerator to keep it functioning efficiently. Now let's delve deeper into the basic principles of how refrigerators work. There are three key principles that we will be discussing in slide 2. The first principle is that heat always moves from warmer to cooler areas. This principle is the foundation of refrigeration. Heat naturally moves from warmer areas to cooler areas until an equilibrium is reached. The second principle is that changing pressure changes temperature. When pressure increases, temperature increases, and when pressure decreases, temperature decreases. The third principle is that refrigerant absorbs heat when it evaporates. This principle is what allows refrigeration to work. The refrigerant absorbs heat from the surrounding area when it evaporates, cooling the area. Understanding these basic principles is crucial to understanding how refrigeration works. By combining these principles, refrigerators can create a cooling effect that keeps the interior of the refrigerator at a consistently low temperature. In slide 3, we will discuss the various components that make up a refrigerator. There are four main components involved in the refrigeration process: the compressor, condenser coils, expansion valve, and evaporator coils. The compressor is the heart of the refrigeration system. It compresses the refrigerant gas and increases its pressure and temperature. The condenser coils are responsible for releasing the heat absorbed by the refrigerant gas. The hot gas flows to the condenser coils and releases heat to the surrounding air. The expansion valve restricts the flow of liquid refrigerant and lowers its pressure and temperature. This causes the refrigerant to evaporate and absorb heat from the surrounding area. The evaporator coils are located inside the refrigerator and are responsible for absorbing heat from the inside of the fridge. As the liquid refrigerant evaporates, it absorbs heat from the interior of the fridge, cooling the space. Understanding the function of these components. In slide 4, we will be discussing the compressor, which is a critical component in the refrigeration process. The compressor is responsible for compressing the refrigerant gas and increasing its pressure and temperature. The compressor works by drawing in low-pressure refrigerant gas and compressing it to high-pressure gas. As the gas is compressed, its temperature also increases. Once the refrigerant gas has been compressed, it is sent to the condenser coils. The hot gas flows through the condenser coils, releasing heat to the surrounding air and condensing the gas back into a liquid. The compressor is one of the most crucial components in the refrigeration process. Without it, the refrigerant gas would not be able to circulate and the cooling effect would not be possible. Proper maintenance of the compressor is crucial to ensure that the refrigerator is functioning efficiently and effectively. In slide 5, we will be discussing the condenser coils, which are responsible for releasing the heat absorbed by the refrigerant gas. Once the refrigerant gas has been compressed and its temperature has increased, it flows to the condenser coils. As the hot gas flows through the condenser coils, it releases heat to the surrounding air, causing the gas to cool and condense back into a liquid. This liquid refrigerant then flows to the expansion valve. The condenser coils play a crucial role in the refrigeration process by releasing the heat absorbed by the refrigerant gas. Proper maintenance of the condenser coils is important to ensure that they are free of debris and functioning efficiently. A dirty or clogged condenser coil can cause the refrigerator to work harder to cool the interior, leading to increased energy consumption and reduced efficiency. In slide 6, we will discuss the expansion valve, which is a critical component in the refrigeration process. The expansion valve is responsible for regulating the flow of liquid refrigerant from the condenser coils to the evaporator coils. As the liquid refrigerant flows through the expansion valve, it is restricted, causing its pressure and temperature to decrease. This drop in pressure and temperature causes the liquid refrigerant to evaporate and turn into a gas as it flows to the evaporator coils. The evaporating gas absorbs heat from the surrounding area, which causes the interior of the refrigerator to cool down. The expansion valve plays a crucial role in controlling the flow of refrigerant and regulating the temperature inside the refrigerator. Proper maintenance of the expansion valve is important to ensure that it is functioning correctly. Any issues with the expansion valve can lead to inefficient cooling or a complete breakdown of the refrigeration system. In slide 7, we will discuss the evaporator coils, which are responsible for absorbing heat from the inside of the refrigerator. The evaporator coils are located inside the fridge and are responsible for cooling the interior. As the liquid refrigerant flows through the evaporator coils, it evaporates into a gas and absorbs heat from the surrounding area. This heat absorption causes the temperature inside the refrigerator to decrease. The evaporator coils play a critical role in the refrigeration process by absorbing heat and cooling the interior of the fridge. Proper maintenance of the evaporator coils is important to ensure that they are functioning efficiently and effectively. Any issues with the evaporator coils, such as damage or a buildup of ice, can lead to inefficient cooling and increased energy consumption. Regular cleaning and maintenance of the evaporator coils can help extend the life of the refrigerator and ensure that it is functioning properly. In slide 8, we will discuss how the temperature inside the refrigerator is controlled. The temperature inside the refrigerator is monitored by a thermostat, which senses the temperature inside the fridge and freezer compartments. When the temperature inside the refrigerator rises above the set point, the thermostat signals the compressor to turn on and start the refrigeration process. The compressor then circulates the refrigerant through the condenser and evaporator coils, and the cold air is circulated through the fridge and freezer compartments. Once the temperature inside the refrigerator has reached the desired level, the thermostat signals the compressor to turn off. This process repeats itself as the temperature inside the refrigerator fluctuates. The temperature control system is crucial for maintaining the freshness and safety of food stored inside the refrigerator. Proper maintenance of the temperature control system, including regular cleaning of the thermostat and proper. In slide 9, we will discuss some of the most common problems that can occur with refrigerators. These problems can affect the performance and efficiency of the refrigerator and can lead to spoilage of food. Dirty condenser coils can cause the refrigerator to work harder and consume more energy. It is important to regularly clean the condenser coils to ensure that they are functioning properly. Leaks in the refrigerant system can also cause problems, as they can result in the loss of refrigerant and a decrease in cooling efficiency. Faulty compressors can cause the refrigerator to fail to cool properly, while blocked evaporator coils can cause a buildup of ice and reduce cooling efficiency. Regular maintenance and cleaning of the refrigerator can help prevent these problems from occurring. In addition, it is important to address any issues with the refrigerator as soon as they arise to prevent more serious problems from occurring in the future. In slide 10, we will discuss the importance of regular maintenance and care for refrigerators. Proper maintenance can help extend the life of the refrigerator and ensure that it is functioning efficiently and effectively. Regular cleaning of the condenser coils is important to ensure that they are functioning properly and not causing the refrigerator to work harder than necessary. Any leaks in the refrigerant system should be addressed immediately by a professional to prevent further damage to the refrigerator. Keeping the fridge well stocked with food can help maintain a consistent temperature and reduce energy consumption. However, it is important to avoid overloading the refrigerator, as this can reduce air circulation and cause the evaporator coils to become blocked. Regular inspection and maintenance of the temperature control system, including the thermostat, can help ensure that the refrigerator is functioning properly and maintaining the desired temperature. By following it, hi, I just wanted to take a moment to say thank you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your comments, likes, and shares mean the world to me and inspire me to keep creating content. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. By doing so, you'll never miss a video and you'll be helping me reach more people with my message. I promise to continue providing high quality and engaging content that you love, so hit that subscribe button and join our community today. Thanks again for your support, and I will see you in the next video.